Hey everyone, welcome back to another Backyard to Bushcraft session. Today, I'm out here practicing one of the most essential survival skills, firecraft. This drill is all about working with natural tinder, straight from the forest, collecting it, processing it, and learning how to bring it to life. First up, bamboo shavings. Bamboo is one of my favorite material to start fires with. It is light, dry, and once you shave it down, it becomes surprisingly fibrous. Here, I am scraping it in with my Leatherman knife, curling those shavings until they look like wood feathers. Next, coconut husk fibers. This one comes from a discarded shell I picked up earlier. Coconut husk is rough stuff, coarse, wiry, and tough to handle at first. But when you pull it apart, when you rub and twist those strands between your fingers, it starts to loosen up. It becomes light, fibrous, almost like hair. And this is what we want, a fine, airy texture that grabs a spark instead of resisting it. Now for the grass. This one looks simple, but it's all about balance. Too tight and it will smother itself. Too loose and the sparks won't catch. Here, I'm breaking the bamboo apart into smaller strands, making them soft and fluffy. The goal here is to let air move through because air is life to fire. Now I'm setting the tinder in place, a ferro rod in hand, striker, strike. Success. The bamboo catches instantly, bright and clean. Oh, it outed. Strike again. Strike. And there you have it. Fire. That's a good ignition. Here I'm loosening up the coconut fibers. I wanted to grab the spark instead of resisting it. Ferro rod in hand. If you're ready, strikes. And there we go. Success again. The coconut fibers takes flame beautifully. It burns slower, steadier. A perfect middle fuel between bamboo and grass. So I crumble the stems gently in my hand, break them up, and fluff the bundle until it feels like it's breathing. The secret? Airspace. Strike, spark, yes, success. It flares fast, bright and hot, exactly what you need to start a small campfire. Thanks for joining me on my Backyard to Bushcraft session. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every great fire begins with one small flame.